Hello there, it's Di with WTI, and this ONTEN USB hub is a game changer. So before I didn't used to have enough USB ports on my computer, and you know how everything nowadays requires USB cable. So now instead of having one, I can extend my computer to have 4 more ports. So there's 3 on the side and 1 on the end, and it makes it so much more simple to have all the USB connected devices on my machine, because I don't need to change them up whenever I need microphone or I need headphones, whatever, like different devices I have. I can just easily have this USB hub there, and it helps me a lot in everyday life. I like its sleek design and also how well it works and does the job that I need it to do. And that is my point of view.